Yeah, this is a Walmart job where I'm supposed to bring this device back online. They have very basic information as far as what's required. They had the switch name, but Walmart locations generally don't know exactly where the switch location physically is at the unit. So I have to first locate the switch, because if this unit isn't on, it means that the network run is probably bad because this device boots off the network. That's just a keyboard and monitor. The actual computer or thin client is here, which is where the network cable was attached. So once I located the switch, and I'll go over that in a minute, I tested the cable run, and it doesn't show the lights right now because I've turned the other side off, but this cable run is bad. But I had to put one end of the cable tester here, the other end at the switch end of the run to actually verify the entire run, and I determined that it was bad. I'm going to show you the switch in just a second, but this is one side of the run. Now, as you see, the run goes down straight in. There's no jack here, so it's pretty likely that the entire run, it doesn't go from here to a jack and then up into the world. What happens is it's just a direct cable run from here all the way to the switch, and that goes down into this big ass cabinet that you'd have to take apart to verify a jack or not. Then up through this conduit, up into the great beyond. But I know where the switch is. It physically runs to over here. Which is where I have my lift to get me up there. But that's our switch here. And that's the other end of the run to this switch, which I had to first locate. And I'll show you how it looks when it's closed, and I'll show you a few others in Walmart so you can find, pretty much where the boxes are, where they locate their switches throughout Walmart locations. But we're gonna turn it on just so I can show you the table run is bad. So we got that end turned on. Now, of course, you're gonna need the appropriate switch port to know which port to even begin to look at. And I'll talk to you about that also. But we're going back to the other side now. As you see, the cable run is definitely bad. So what I'm going to do is first thing I'm going to try is to re-terminate each end with RJ45 plugs, and that should bring it up online. I'm pretty sure that that's going to be the solution to the problem. But, we'll go to other options if it doesn't work. So just showing you how one of the main things you'll do at Walmart locations is done, which is to first locate the device, locate the switch that the device is attached to, and then test the integrity of the run and make changes as you deem necessary. So we'll talk some more after a bit. Peace.